gosh. Okay, kids, we're here. Oh, okay, Granny. I'll go sit next to the tree. You guys have fun. Come on, let's do whatever we want to. Yeah, this is gonna be so fun. Yay, yay. So what should we do? Over here looks fun. There's like some dark green grass, and so over there. So this is a nice place to be. Do you want to play here? Yeah, but what should we do? What should we do? Grandma, can you get out food? Okay, I'll go get the food. Let's have a picnic. Okay, guys. I got the mashed up cherries. Ew, we don't like that stuff. So mushy and cherry-y. We don't want that. Sorry, guys, that's all we have. Okay. I'll get you guys each a serving. Okay, here you go. Some of it for each of you. Oh, goodness. Here you go, Randy Candy, and even them out for you. I like this for so long. I will put that over there and rest against the tree. Yummy, this is delicious actually. Yum, yummy. This stuff's really good actually. Let's give the people who are watching some. They might get hungry. Here you go. This is so delicious. I don't even want to share it. Oh, it's so good. This is actually pretty good. Yeah, it is. Yum. Oh, my face is covered in it now. Oh, that's funny. Yay. Okay, kids. It might be time to leave. No, I like it here. Yes, but it's time to leave. We still have some food left. Can we at least finish our food? Well, okay. Yay, we get to stay for longer. Here, let's trade foods. Okay. Yum. Okay, guys, are you ready to go now? Yeah, we're ready. Come on, let's go. Roar! Dun. Grandma, stay back. Ew. Back at the house. John. It's John! We can't leave our home for these stinking things. Let's go over here a little bit more so the people who are watching can see us. Okay, there. Ah!